Okay, so why are we out here, Grant?
Well, don't point the camera at me. Point it at why we're here.
Okay. Well, Grant just got a new car, brand brand spanking new. It's a Hundai Genesis. Coupe.
The Genesis, the regular ones.
Look at that. Oh my God. Look at, oh my God. Those are stock?
Yeah. Stock 17-inch alloys.
Look at that. Look at that streamline. Do you have GPS?
No, that's for XM.
Oh, that's for XM? Wow. Oh, it's satellite.
Yeah.
Wow. That's nice. Oh, and what do they say? Well, we'll talk about that later.
Yeah, I called them. They're going to look at it tomorrow.
Wow, Grant. Nice. Okay. Wow, it is cool. Huh?
Evan's going to be the first person to tell me how the back seats of my Coupe are.
Oh, yeah. Wow, it's beautiful.
It's so clean.
Nice.
Like, leather wrapped steering wheel.
Nice.
Track control. Oh, well, you don't care about that, but.
So it's a Genesis. It's a Hundai Genesis Coupe.
Yeah, 2.0 turbo.
Wow. I'm going to go on the other side. I want to. Yeah. Well, hopefully I'll be able to see it. You might need to pull back.
I think you'll be able to see it.
Oh, it's that new car smell. Oh, I'm not going to be. We can't see it. Can't see it.
Well, you could do it some other time. Okay.
Very nice. Wow, that's a big engine. Turbo. It's turbo, man. Wow, nice. Very cool. Say hi, Evan. Wow, I got my two kids together. Awesome. So, we're going to go out for dinner now?
Yeah, I'm fucking starving. I haven't eaten
Okay,
all
let me
day
go
long.
get my stuff. I'll be back. Well, because I was stuck on the phone with Aunt Sue, so.
Too bad.
Oh, that's great. That's great. I got my boys here for sushi. Yay. That's ahi. That's ahi and salmon, right, Grant?
Yep.
Yellow
Yeah.
tuna. Yep, tuna.
And this is Tom. Say hello, Tom.
Don't worry, I hate it too.
But see, he has to go all over the place with me while I videotape him, so. Say hey. Yo. Cool, man. So, we're here having dinner, celebrating Grant's new car.
You got a new car?
I did.
What car?
Yeah, really.
Hundai.
Hyundai? Oh, Hyundai?
Hyundai.
What kind?
Genesis Coupe.
Oh. How much is it?
24,000.
Oh. Genesis is cool. Yeah, it's a new one.
Yeah, you know.
V6?
4-cylinder turbo.
Oh,
245.
Spicy tuna. My favorite. Spicy tuna is my favorite. Huh?
You got what, edamame? Or
Yeah.
miso?
No, one miso. Did you want a miso? Are you sure?
So it's calamari.
Calamari.
It'd be funny if I just like took this whole shot.
I gotta test the camera, you guys, you know?
Hold on, why are you pointing at me all the time? Let me
Here,
see.
you pointed at me now. You gotta turn it around. What do you do? Oh, Evan. Thank you. Forget me, because I'm never on video. Not so close.
Dude, this is pretty nice.
Isn't it nice?
It's way nicer than the other one.
I know.
I saw the video of the Thanksgiving
Miso. Whoa.
I got it.
Okay.
Use the hand thing.
Say goodbye. Say peace.
Catherine's gotten pretty big, huh?
Hold on. Wow. That's hot. That's so hot. I just wish it was daytime so we could get better video. That's sleek. Well, we just got done eating sushi. and we're gonna go back to my place. But we had
You have to plug it in. Oh.
Evan, are you smoking?
Yeah.
Yuck. So Grant is trying to figure out how to get music to play. What is he doing?
I think you'll be able to do it, bro. Yeah.
What's he trying to do?
He's gonna play some shit. It's funny. You heard that guy T-Pain?
No.
The auto-tune voice that he has on the music and shit?
I don't know.
You'll hear it.
Okay. What are you playing, Grant?
A song I wrote.
It's gonna work, isn't it?
Oh, you can hear it in my speakers already.
I can't.
Hold on.
You have to turn that shit up. Pussy earthquake.
Hold on.
Is it on your speakers for the car?
Yeah, hold on.
Jeez, we're holding.
Alright, this song's called Pussy Earthquake.
Oh, jeez. Go ahead.
I met her in the club.
Turn it up a
I
little.
met her in the club. She looking real good, yeah. She looking real good. Up in the club. She looking real good.
I already got you, Grant.
All up in the club. She looking real good when she walks up in the club. She looking real fly when she busts
Your
down.
dance, Evan. Dance, Evan. Come on. Pussy twig, whatever. Come on.
Yeah!
Nice song, Grant. That's
Show me
really
the other
good.
one that you made for Michael Ransky. He made one for Fishy Fish.
Michael Ransky, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is Greenway in his
Who
house.
is this person?
That's me.
That's you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
They say I sound like T-Pain when I rap about Michael
Where'd you find
Ransky.
this? How do you do that?
It's an auto-tune thing.
From where?
It's called I Am T-Pain.
By himself.
It's called I Am T-Pain. It's an iPhone app.
Oh.
But now I drive and have alone.
Turn it up.
I still think it's fast and cool, even if it only has 175,000 miles. Michael Ransky. Let's go and do some nose candy. Yeah, my girlfriend, she strips, but I don't care.
Wow.
That's it.
That's nice. All right. Well, I guess my children are very good at entertaining me. So we're going to go now. Die out that cigarette, Evan.
This shit's hilarious.
Peace. Say peace. Don't be nasty. Say peace.